Today we have the App Open 2011 with a focus on mobile apps. And for the event today we had actually a mobile web app made instead of an app, because it's much more flexible to have a mobile apps for a conference like this, because there are a lot of people in there and they have all sort of mobile phones. Not only iPhone, they have Android, Symbian phones, Microsoft and so on. Yeah. And with a mobile web app they can just write the web address, and then they're on the site, no matter what kind of phone they have. With an app you had to develop maybe 4 or 5 different apps. It takes a lot of time and a lot of money. So for us this was a quick way to get a really nice and well working the mobile web app.
I'm opening the app, and I just got my iPhone, so I don't really know how these mobile apps work. But it's neat that it's web-based, so I didn't have to download it.
The look and feel and the way it works and the transitions and the scrolling and so on, it pretty much feels like a native app. So actually, yeah, this is perhaps the best mobile app I've seen so far.
See how this could be really nice to hold on to look through the conference afterwards, because sometimes when you're at conferences, like, everything happens so quickly and you're meeting so many people and you go to like 5 talks a day, and so you can't really remember everything. So to have an attendee list is great. And I guess people kind of like to see what they're tweeting, so I guess if I was tweeting here, it might be nice to see that my mentions show up on the main page.
It's nice working, it's quick, and it updates all the time.
I'm pretty convinced that this could be a good way to do it when you only have read-only data.
On the side here you can see the schedule for both days. Who's speaking, which company, and who's the speaker. We also have a sort of a news site from our own website with automatically updates for the news, and there are also tweets. We have a list also of all the attendances from what the companies and the name from the different companies. So people that can find each other and maybe experience and share some data and experiences. And finally we have a sponsor site for the sponsors.
You can develop in probably pretty fast, and it's easy to distribute. You don't have to have it approved by Apple and so on, so you can possibly create it very fast and have it distributed in no time.
Yeah, I can definitely see how this could have lots of different applications.
It works on every device, I suppose. I only have an iPhone, but I suppose it works just as good on an Android.
I would guess that a web app would be a web page based app, and so it wouldn't be a native app, as in a unique app that you had to download for Android or iPhone and perhaps pay a small fee.
I guess the future is for HTML5.